So now I have to go finish cleaning the data, and to do that I'm just going to very quickly copy this line here and I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to paste in a couple of times. A couple of things that I need to get rid of. So I've already got rid of the B. I need to get rid of this little colon here, and to do that I put in the little colon, and that's going to get rid of it by saying, right, I don't want to put anything there at all, just get rid of it. I also need to get rid of, it does look like it, blank spaces in there in the middle, so get rid of that. Now make sure you put in a space in there to tell it to pick up getting rid of a blank space. So let's have a look at our data now. We run it and we can see now we're getting off and the backslash or and the backslash in, and look at how both of them are on the same line there. So sometimes when it's transmitting the data there could be a couple of potential errors. We'll have a look at that in a while. So knock that off again now. So what we also need to get rid of is that backslash or and the backslash in. So to get rid of those, so just make the two places. So for the backslash or, let's put it in there, backslash or and backslash in. And I know that I'm not going to get rid of these by doing this here now. It's just going to come up the same. So let's have a look again. And you can see it didn't get rid of them. And the reason for that is, well, as it stands, this is actually an escape character. And it's saying to, like, when that special backslash comes up, it wants you to go, this means a carriage return. And so it's trying to get rid of that, but there's no carriage returns there. And it's also saying, right, well, get rid of moving to a new line. So there's nothing like that there. But what we need to do is to trick Python into not thinking that this is an escape character. It's a bit like a Santa and an anti-Santa. We've got to put another forward slash in front there. And what this is saying is now, here's my forward slash. And actually, I'm talking about this here. And similarly, here's my backslash and there's my thing. So let's have a look there now at this running. And there's my data fully cleared. And again, we'll press our button here and it's going to go to on. That's great stuff. Press it to off. And look there, possible error that could come up. There's an O missing. Like if you transmit in the middle of a cycle or anything like that, and we need to account for that. Let's try again one or two really quick ones and see can we catch it. And no, all good so far, but as we've seen up there, the FF, that's a potential error. See you in the next video to how to deal with that.